Asteroid impacts, a collision course with Earth. Since the dawn of time, humanity has gazed at the stars, wondering about the mysteries they hold. Among these celestial wonders lies a hidden danger: asteroids. These ancient space rocks, leftovers from the birth of our solar system, can cause catastrophic effects on Earth. Let's dive into the fascinating and sometimes frightening world of asteroid impacts. Asteroids are rocky fragments that orbit the Sun, like planets but much smaller. Most of them are found in the asteroid belt, a vast region between Mars and Jupiter. Some are as small as pebbles, while others are over 900 kilometers wide, almost the size of a small country. They're classified into types: C-type, rich in carbon; S-type, made of silicate rocks; and M-type, full of metals. Did you know some of these asteroids even contain water? Fascinating, isn't it? Asteroids usually stay in their orbits, far from Earth. But sometimes their paths change due to gravitational forces, and they head toward us. The larger the asteroid, the greater the danger. For example, a rock just 140 meters wide could destroy an entire city. And if an asteroid over a kilometer wide hits, it could have global consequences. It's a sobering thought, isn't it? Earth has faced asteroid impacts before. The most famous one happened 65 million years ago when a 10-kilometer wide asteroid struck near Mexico. The Chicxulub impact wiped out the dinosaurs and caused massive fires, tsunamis, and a dark winter. On a smaller scale, in 2013, a 20-meter asteroid exploded over Chelyabinsk, Russia. The blast shattered windows and injured over 1,500 people. These events remind us that while rare, asteroid impacts can change the course of history. If a large asteroid hits Earth, the immediate effects are terrifying: shockwaves, intense heat, and massive destruction. But the long-term effects can be even worse. Dust clouds from the impact can block sunlight, cooling the planet and disrupting crops. Imagine a world where food is scarce and survival becomes a challenge. Coastal cities are at risk of tsunamis, and urban areas face infrastructure collapse. It's a chain reaction of disasters. Thankfully, we're not sitting ducks. Astronomers use powerful telescopes and radar systems to detect and track near-Earth objects, or NEOs. Programs like NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office keep a close eye on space rocks that could come too close for comfort. Did you know there are over 30,000 known NEOs? New ones are discovered almost every day. Stopping an asteroid from hitting Earth is no small task, but scientists are working on it. One method is the kinetic impactor, basically smashing a spacecraft into the asteroid to change its path. In 2021, NASA's DART mission successfully demonstrated this technique. Another idea is the gravity tractor, where a spacecraft's gravity gently pulls the asteroid into a safer orbit. It's like playing cosmic billiards. Protecting Earth from asteroids is a global effort. NASA, the European Space Agency, and even private companies like SpaceX work together to research and develop new technologies. International cooperation is key because a threat to one country is a threat to all. The United Nations also helps by coordinating planetary defense efforts. Despite all our technology, we must prepare for the possibility of an asteroid impact. Governments and local authorities conduct emergency drills to plan evacuations and educate the public. Imagine how important it is to stay calm and follow instructions during such an event. Preparation can save lives. The future is bright if we invest in science and innovation. Imagine a world where asteroid mining turns potential threats into resources for humanity. By studying these space rocks, we not only protect Earth, but also unlock secrets about the origins of our solar system. With global collaboration and determination, we can ensure a safer future for generations to come. Asteroid impacts are a reminder of how connected we are to the cosmos. They challenge us to be vigilant, innovative, and united. By understanding these celestial threats, we can turn fear into knowledge and danger into opportunity. So, are we ready to face the next challenge from the stars? Together we can be